Hey fam, it's your favorite cousin Mo Denise. So today I am back with another video, and today we're going to talk about some things to pack before you get on the road if you're going to the beach, so forth, traveling out of state, out of town, wherever your travel plans are taking you for this spring break or this summer season that's approaching very quickly. So I have, this is my little purple kit that I take with me on beach trips, any type of vacations where I know I'm going to be outdoors doing things. I always carry this with me because I keep my Benadryl in it and other things. So we're going to unpack this, and then this right here, I just picked this up from Target because I didn't have a first aid safety kit, so I haven't even opened this up, but it's taped all together. But this is the first aid safety kit from Target. I want to say it might have been like $10. I think it has like 70 assorted first aid items in here. So this is good just for the little emergencies that might happen while you're on the road. And since we're going to be in a beach setting, I felt like we need to have a little safety kit. But in here I have packed the good stuff. So I keep some, I always keep some Benadryl with me. As you see, I had to use one of these, but I've always keep some Benadryl with me and Tylenol, and that's what I just have in the top part up here, and some tweezers and cotton balls. These are extra mask. I can't think of the name of them, y'all. Extra the liners for the mask, the filters, the mask filters for the masks that I make. So they come in little packs, and then they're individual inside. So I just take a pack with me when I hit the road. I have on my keychains, I actually have the hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. So I just put 2 extra ones in here because sometimes you can go through them really fast. If you guys heard me talk about my Amazon unboxing that I did, these are the little PP bags. This is when the time that you need them, when you're on the road, on the travel. You might be someplace where there is a bathroom and you're just like, that bathroom ain't for me. This the better bathroom right here. So I have some disposable urinary bags, the Perel wipes. I picked these up at Target. Target and I believe Walmart are back in stock of all of their Perel's hand sanitizer wipes and so forth. So I picked these up at Target. I keep, just in case you need to clean your hands off, you don't really need to use the hand sanitizer, the Perel wipes, but you just need to wipe your skin off or something like this. I keep a pack of baby wipes, and then these are good. These are the Charmin. It's actually a little roll. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a little roll of toilet paper. So it's to-go toilet paper, and it's good if you have to be on the go. And then also I keep the miniature Lysol, so I don't have to carry around the big Lysol. But I do pack this big Lysol. This isn't the biggest one, but the next size down from the largest Lysol. I do pack this in my bag, you know, to spray down the hotel rooms and everything. So I do keep one of these. And then I also have the off, since we're going to be on the beach. I don't know if there's going to be any bugs around, but just in case, this is the off that you want to protect yourself from the Zika virus. Mosquitoes out there carry everything, because you got to remember, mosquitoes bite, sip blood, and transfer it from person to person. I know it sounds kind of gross, but it's the truth. So to keep the bugs off, you want to have a little off. Now the Deep Woods is the good one, because it's pretty much protection against everything. Trying to make sure it's clear. But the Deep Woods is the one that you want to go for if you're looking for the off. You can get this at Target as well. So on Amazon, this right here is another Amazon find. I've seen them advertised before, but I decided to go ahead and pick one up. This is a door jammer. So it's a portable lock that is good for the hotel room doors, so you don't have any surprise visits in the middle of the night, anybody trying to come in your room because they done magnetized the wrong key or something like that. This was on Amazon, and I want to say it was like $15. So we're gonna try this out to see if it works when we get to our hotel. But let me take it, see if I can take it out. But this is the original packaging that it comes in. Oh, it actually comes in a little case. It's in a little black case. And it has a little instruction booklet. It was a little instruction pamphlet to let you know how to work it. There we go. So this is a little instructional pamphlet to let you know how to work the machine. The machine, Lord have mercy. This little gadget. And this is the little concoction. So this is one end of it. And this is the part that actually sits in the door. So it's made for 2 different style locks. So we're gonna see how this works to see if we can actually jam the door. So it's a safety mechanism that's supposed to be really good to travel with. So we're gonna put it to the test once we get to the hotel. I just got 2 more things, and I'm hoping I'm not forgetting anything because I don't know. But this right here are toilet seat covers for the toilet if you have to go to a public restroom and there's no toilet seat covers, and you know you might need to sit down for some apparent reason. If you can't squat, these are good to keep handy as well. So let me see how they got these in here. They got it all taped up. So they come in travel packs like this. And there are 10. So 10 come in this one little thing. So these are really good. So lightweight, easy to travel with. That was on Amazon as well. And then I got some of these glass shields. So yes, I will wear a mask with these, but I wanted to try these out to see if I was gonna like them or not. I might order some for my store as well, but I just wanted to try this brand out to see. This is how they come, and they're supposed to be a face shield mask. So I thought this might be good because we're getting ready to head down to Florida. In Florida, they are crazy and wide open down there. So I was like, you know, let's see. These actually, I just got these in time. These actually just came in the mail today. So this right here, it's just a clear plastic. It almost look like work shades or something that you would wear. So if you follow the vlog, you'll probably see me with these on. And if I don't like them, I can always give them to my niece. She might like them. But it's a nose piece in here. And then the 2 parts for your ears, and they fold like this. And then it's just a shield to cover your face. I think that is all that I have